I'ma head out then.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. This is Salty Denali, Team Blurred Vision. I got 8 NSV5 15s on 2 Salt 12Ks, clamping over 20,000 watts each, so around 40,000. And we wired it down to 0.5 recently from where we're one on, so we're probably clamping more.
Yeah.
I recently did a 163.7 on the meter and busted windshield and this fresh windshield, and we can't get it any above that without busting it. I'm pretty sure to do a 65.
So you're trying to say that windshield, right?
It's that windshield. Put this in before, and it was a 6 order with 6 15s. It's 8 now, 4th. Shrunk down the bottom chamber to the power.
Yeah. You got plenty of it back there, I know that.
Oh yeah. On 140 amp hour of EH5, 2 350 amp Singer alts, all 0 gauge OFC, power wire, and 4 gauge coming into these blocks.
Yeah.
And then 8 gauge OFC. It's all OFC. No CCA here.
Man, you got this thing.
Yeah. 4 Neo Pro 8 V3s and 6 GTR 1 Super Tweeters on a DS18 SXE 4000.4. I had 2 Salt 200.2s, but
yeah,
they blew.
Didn't last long, did it?
Yeah, they didn't last long. Wired real low. I guess. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, you got this thing looking good back here, man.
right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.